Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you Instagram updates you might have missed. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application, and the first one I'm going to show you how to share Instagram reel to WhatsApp status. So this is a new feature on Instagram guys. If you haven't gotten this feature, I recommend you to update your Instagram. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how we can share Instagram reel to our WhatsApp status. I'm going to go to this page, and for example, I'm going to share this Instagram reel to my WhatsApp status. Okay, we can click on the send button. Okay, and here you will get option to share this reel to your WhatsApp status. Just tap on that, and then I'm going to share without audio. Okay, and this is the result. Here you can edit the reel before you share it. And for your information guys, that not all Instagram reel can be shared to WhatsApp. I'm going to try this one. Okay, we can share it to WhatsApp. Share without audio. All right, then I'm just going to go back to my Instagram. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, we can share it. I found an Instagram reel that can't be shared to WhatsApp. This reel cannot be shared, as you can see that there is no WhatsApp status option. Okay, and the next update I'm going to show you is make the Instagram reel 2 times faster. Okay, I'm just going to select one of Instagram reel here. For example, this one, if you want to play it faster, you can tap and hold on the side area. Okay, and you will be able to speed up the Instagram reel. Just tap and hold like this. And let's try this one as well. Just tap and hold on the right side. Okay, I'm going to try to speed up. All right. Okay guys, and that's all of the Instagram update you might have missed. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video guys.